Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. A lot of people ask me how I connect N8N to Go High Level. You can see a lot of YouTube videos that's too hard to understand or they explain not detailed enough. So in today's video, I will show you the easy way to connect N8N to Go High Level. This video will be very quick, not too much steps, so hope you'll watch to the end of the videos. Okay, first of all, you can see I'm in the N8N interface right here. The first one you need to do is you add the trigger. I will add the trigger manually right here. After that, to search for high level, you see the high level right here. You click to it. You can see we have a lot of action right here that create or update a contact, delete contact, get contact, or other kind of task action like create a task, delete a task, or get a task. For example, I will choose create a task. We need to fill in some information to connect to Go High Level. If you don't have any credential, you need to create a new credential. Now you can see it's asked you to fill in client ID, client secrets. So to get this information, you can see right here, open documents, and then have very detailed document for you to work through to connect to High Level. You can see here we can using API key or we using auth2. It's just a way we currently connecting right now. High level auth2 API. You need to generate a client ID, client secret, and add this kind of scope. To do this, you need to go to market.gohighlevel.com/apps and you need to create an app. You can see here, create apps. You can enter the app names. I will enter this one. The app type is private. The target user is sub-account. This one is very important because you can see in the document, set distribution type to sub-account. This one is white label, it's recommended, so I will use this one. I will create these apps. Now you can see you can edit some basic information of the apps. This is app name. You can add the logo if you want. You need to select the category. I will select its advertising, tagline. The niche one, I will choose the advertising. Example, the company. Okay, I don't have a website right now, so I just click save. They say that the app must have a logo, so I need to add a logo for this. I will add some random logo. You can see all the steps right here, the profile device or support detail, pricing. You can do this later because it's not too important right now. You can go back to home page and you go to my apps and you can see we have an app here, it's live. After that, you need to choose the advanced setting right here and you see the auto option. You see some basic info right here. After that, you need to go to advanced setting and you have the out option. As you remember, you need to add this scope for connecting to N8N. The location, contact, opportunities, and user. I will do this one by one for all of this scope. Okay. Contact wide, opportunity read only, and opportunity write also. Okay, now to the redirect URLs. You need to copy the OAuth redirect URL from N8N to redirect URL in high level app. Is this one you see right here. I will click to copy this one and I paste the URL right here. Okay, now I click add and you need to choose this URL. For the client key, this is the one we're looking for. You can come back to N8N and you can see we need client ID and client secret. So you need to add an ID right here. Okay, you just click add and you click the name. I will choose N8N and I will add. Okay, now you have the client IDs and client secrets that you need. You just copy this one and paste back to N8N. This client secret also, you copy this one and you paste back to N8N. Okay, that's basically finished in Go High Level. You just click save this one. Now you can come back to N8N and it's asked you to fill in the scope. What is the scope? The scope is this one that we fill in earlier. You can see this step is add the same scope about your N8N credential. So I will copy all of this one to N8N. Everything looks good. You can click connect to my account. Now it's asked you to log in to CRM. To continue, I will click login. I need to enter the code that's sent to my email. Okay, I finished my login now and you click connect to my account again. And Go High Level asks you to share some permission. You just click next. You need to choose the account. Now you can see connection is successful. Now you can close this one. Okay, you can see we finished creating new credential to connect N8N to Go High Level. This one is very simple. It's based on what you need, the resources, the operation. You can create or delete or get many or update something. you need to fill in the contact email or ID. You can easily fill that in if you have data from Go High Level. And you need to fill in the author requirement and you execute step. Okay, that's all my video. That is very simple way for you to connect N8N to Go High Level. You need to create a credential and connect your client ID from Go High Level to N8N. If this video helpful for you, please give me a like and a subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything, and we'll see you in my next videos.